In this video, I'll show you how to download and install extra OpenAI models in Vibe, a free transcription app that's available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Welcome to this video. My name is David, and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, as you can see here, I'm on Vibe, and this is the official page, and this is more or less the GitHub repository where you can see what's going on, latest releases, and so on and so forth. Of importance to us is downloading the latest or more extra models. Now, right here is the Vibe interface, really simple. This is the last project I kind of worked on, and let's assume you wanted to download another model. So I'll click on these three dots here, go to settings, and from here you can set a couple of options. Scroll down slightly, and right here in the customize option, you can be able to paste a model link, and then there is a drop down to see what models you have. And then we've got the models folder. If I click on it, it's going to open the folder with the models, and you can see the size. The small one is 476 MB, the medium one is 1.497 GB, and you also have the option to change the models folder or download models. If I click on this, it's going to open up more or less the docs or Vibe documentation for the models, and here you kind of find the curated list of suggested models to use. To install a model, use the magic setup link to open it in Vibe, or copy and paste the direct download in Vibe settings. So there are a couple of options here. We've got the Tiny. If you click on this, it's going to open up this app and start downloading. Or you can also do a direct download, goes to your downloads folder, and then you can save. Alternatively, you can right click on this, copy link, and then come back to Vibe, right here, paste, and once you do that, click on this button and it's going to start downloading the OpenAI model. I've selected Tiny because it's a small model, and also it's more or less for demonstration purposes. Just take a note that depending on the model that you choose, so by default it's actually now chosen that for me. You can go back to settings, and if you look at this, it's actually chosen now Tiny to be my model, but you can always select whatever model that you want. Just take a note, we go back to the models page, that it's compact and efficient, suitable for quick tasks and limited resource environments. You can see the different options. As for the large models, like the large V3 for high accuracy and more computational resources, excels in complex scenarios. So if you're looking for high accuracy and all that, so it's super simple to find that. But if you want more models, you can find them on Hugging Face, obviously. So if they are available right here, you can always get them right here. You can always check how old maybe a model is. This is the base, about 2 years ago. There's nothing that has been released recently right there. But if all that you wanted to do was download and install new OpenAI models or even more models on Vibe, that's how you can download and install OpenAI Whisper models for your offline transcription work. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.